been selling off from the word go is Kalyan Jewellers. As Hormas pointed out, 8 straight days of a decline, but today it is even more pronounced. Part of that could be attributed to the fears of, the internal change that has taken place at Motilal Oswal AMC as well. But this week, after today's cut, the stock is down about 16%, and from its highs, it's down about 36%. The important part is that, the stock, if you look at the shareholding pattern of the company, between last December to now, Motilal Oswal Mid-Cap Fund has increased its holding from 6.5% to 9.05%. Franklin India continues to maintain their stake. Sundaram Mutual and Government of Singapore have actually reduced their stake. Sundaram Mutual now is sub 1%, and which is why it's not reported as a major shareholder. Government of Singapore down from 2% to 1.75%. Promoter's stake as of December 2025 is 62.75%. But here too, between last December to now, the pledge on their stake has actually increased from 19% to around 24%. Remember, the promoters had bought 2.3% stake from Warburg Pincus at 535 rupees per share in August 2024, because of which they had pledged their equity. And now that pledge has increased over the last 1 year from 19% to 25%. A bigger decline from current levels would perhaps lead to invocation of that pledge, and as a result of which we could see further downside on the stock. So that's something we need to monitor, and monitor more so because the retail shareholding of Kalyan Jewellers has increased over the last 1 year from 5% to closer to 6%. The number of shareholders as well increased from nearly 5.6 lakh to 6.6 lakh. So because there is a fair amount of retail shareholding in Kalyan, with one institution holding about 9%, and there being a management change, internal change, rejig in that institution, with the promoter's stake being pledged around 25%. All these factors are, suggesting the kind of decline that we've seen on Kalyan Jewellers. The only thing that I'll be watching out for over the next few trading sessions is whether the stock goes into F&O ban or not, because otherwise, fundamentally, no reason for the stock to be falling so much at a time when gold prices are high. All the jewelry companies are reporting stellar quarterly updates. Ritu.
Interesting update there, but the stock remains under pressure, Mangalam. But we'll, try and find some green